Now the back pattern we finished, and we can also add the pocket 7.5. Click on the line and input the data 2, and here we input the data 4. Right click, we can connect them. We can take this as a reference. We can connect them. Actually, you can adjust adjust the position of the line. And this dart, we can also adjust the dart. Click this modify line to adjust the dart. Right click, and now we make this line and we can make an offset point and connect them here to adjust the length of the pocket. And to make a vertical line, click the left button and put the marker on this line and press key on the keyboard. Now we make a line vertical to this line. We have to make sure this line is vertical to this line. We can also make a free line. You can determine the angle yourself and make a vertical line. We can cut by line. Click this line and click OK. Right click, and you can see if I change this line change together. Right click, we can change the direction. Right click to change the direction, and this is the pocket we made. If we press Alt and G, we can see. Well, this part have the difference because we make an offset point of this point, because this point have the difference. So we can use this tool, make a linkage. We can make a linkage to this point and to this point. Right click, we press Alt G, we can check, and you can see there's no difference, right? Only this part have the different. Back again. So the reference point is very important. Alt G, we can press this one, and you can see this is granted, right? We make a pattern. Sorry, the bottom line I didn't connect it. And to make a pattern, right click, pattern make, and click the inner line. Right. Okay. This is a back pattern we made. And click the pattern, click the base. We can align the grinding by this tool. And we can see it's automatic grinding, right? So this part, the grinding have some problem because the line we made here they have different reference points. Now, as we can see, we're deleting it here and put it back to mode and select into here, and back to the design mode. I right click on the line. We can see the reference point here, so the difference also reference this point. If we binary, if we change the reference point by another check, you can see if we, because this point have the difference, so when you reference this point, the difference will change. As you can see, right click. Now the reference point is this point. If I changed the reference point to this point, as you can see, this point's difference will change. As you can see. And if I change the reference point to this point don't have the difference. So right click and by another. We check the gradient again. As you can see, there is no line right. There's no. Do it again. Change the reference. We can by another. And we can see it's also changed, right? The difference here to here difference, because in the size chart, I inputted the difference here. So that we do. And you can see, if I change this difference on the size chart here, same line here, I change it to 1. Difference change it to 1. Okay. And you can see, it will change according to the change of the in the size chart. Difference will change according to the size chart. And you see, deleted this line. Now you can see the gradient is automatic finished, right? So if you want to make the pattern, you have some knowledge of the pattern making, and you have some knowledge of the gradient, so you can check the gradient if right or not. Here the gradient, the difference I input in the size chart as I want. Those not correct, because I'm not sure the difference of each part. So if you build the size chart, you input the difference in advance to put the difference correctly. My size chart difference is, I think, is incorrect here. So I input some difference by myself to tell you our system can automatic grading. Okay, we do, this is a back pattern. Now we do the front pattern. Actually, it's the same operation. back to the design mode. And this graph and basic to check the, as you can see, this is pattern. Pattern have some information on the pattern. If you want to edit the pattern again, click the pattern mode, click left button on the pattern, left button twice. Here you can change the green line type. You can change the green line direction. You can give the name. This is the back pattern of the pants. And if you want the learning part, you can also add a learning fabric. After you click the learning part, as you can see, the index is 4, and the learning part, learning A, is the index 5. If you click then OK. Here you can also add the same line. Finish. When you finished, and you can see the different color of the green line is the different fabric. This is the fabric, the main fabric, fabric A, and this is the learning part. If you want to adjust the learning part, you can in the design mode select then and click Y on the keyboard. You can make the then shorter or longer. And you see, and the learning part and the main fabric and the structure line, they all related. As you can see, if you change the structure line, the fabric, the main fabric, and the learning will also change according to the structure line.